Hello there. Are you ready to learn more? Yeah? So glad you're here. If you're new here, my name is Wendolyn Davis. I'm passionate about a lot of things, but health and wellness is at the top of my list. That's my life. I'm a wellness warrior, and I absolutely love doing this. And I love sharing. So it's so great to share with you what's possible. I used to be anxious, depressed, overwhelmed in the past and just weighed down because of my story and what I was telling myself. Learning the power of our thoughts and really what's possible, that we can get the results we want, is life-changing. And so we're going to add a little mindset in with some nutrition to help us get the results we want. So check in. What are the results you want? Now, you're probably watching this because you want to be healthier, right? But sometimes we're stuck on autopilot, doing the same thing over and over, and we're not quite sure how to add more fruits or vegetables into our diet. Just doing protein is not enough. A lot of us eat way, way, way too many carbs. Fiber is huge for our health. It also helps regulate our hormones along with the blood sugar, and it just keeps our gut happy. And if our gut's happy, we notice a huge difference in our health. So here's one way you can get more vegetables in the morning, especially if you're in a hurry. And you know I like fast and easy, so I gotcha. Okay. So if you're doing smoothies, it really helps if you have a high power blender. So this one's a Vitamix. There's Blendtex. There's NutriBullets have some. Okay. So that just helps because who wants to be drinking a smoothie that has chunks? Nah. Okay. So you're going to start, we're going to put our water in first, or you can do coconut water. You can do almond unsweetened milk if you want, coconut milk, whatever you want. So this one I'm just going to do plain water. And then you can have 3 to 4 cups of mixed greens. This is just an organics spring mix, $5. That's pretty good because this is going to make a lot of smoothies. Because guess what? I don't want to eat this for breakfast, but I'll drink it. Yeah. Or it makes a great thing to go with lunch. If I'm in a hurry and I don't have time to eat a salad, I'm going to drink it. So it's a win-win. Okay. So then you're going to put the greens in, and it looks like a lot, right? It is. And that's going to be so good for us. Then you'll turn the blender on for like 45 seconds to let that blend. And then you're going to add like 1 cup of fruit. And this is frozen because drinking this warm, not so good. We want it to be a little bit cold. So this one, I've got almost a cup of blueberries. And when I get bananas and I'm not eating them all, I just put them in the freezer. I flash freeze them, put them on a small cookie sheet, let them freeze, and then put them in a baggie. Then they're so easy to grab. Or sometimes an apple's good. This helps it taste good. So do whatever fruit you like. I've got frozen cherries, frozen mangoes, strawberries. Sometimes I mix it up because doing different colors is so good for our gut. Okay, so this is just an easy way. There's so many books about smoothies, or you could Google smoothies, but in the morning, I don't want to take time to read a recipe because I'm usually running on to the next item and I just want to do it quick and easy. So this is one thing you can do. If you want to use it as a meal, then you could add maybe half avocado to add a little bit of the fat to it and then protein. So this one's just plain protein powder, and like 1 scoop is 22 grams. So you could also add protein in there. Then it's more of a complete meal. So there you go. More ideas. Do you know that for fiber, our bodies need, I'm going to say 25 to 35 grams of fiber, and it's going to vary on our age and male or female. You can't go wrong with getting too much, but you're going to have consequences with not getting enough. So, what if you started paying attention to how much fiber you're getting? Just more tips, right? Yeah, to help us become the version of us that we want. So, this is fun, right? Yeah, vegetables can be enjoyable. We don't have to turn our nose up at them. We can embrace them and thank them for all that they give us because they are so good for us. All right, my friends, you got this wherever you are. Talk to you later. Bye.